Hi, I'm Anna Sakula with BizBash, and we're here at Pier 60 for the Lower Manhattan Cultural Council's Downtown Dinner. And we'll see what artists have created for this interactive fundraiser.
In all the work we do downtown at LMCC, we're really working to engage the public with art in unexpected ways. The Downtown Dinner has grown since its first year in 2005. We've seen more guests, more supporters year after year. This year is quite a feat. We have over 600 guests here this evening. Tonight's dinner will be honoring Steve Buscemi, well-known New Yorker who's committed to the downtown arts community, and Brookfield Properties. Both understand the importance of art in the community and how art can really not just redevelop a community, say after 9/11, and keep it alive. My favorite piece tonight at the dinner would have to be Mark Robinson's piece. It's a beautiful circular chair arrangement suspended in the air. He actually created it in residence. We're so happy to have him bring it back to show at tonight's dinner.
We needed an object to be made. It has to be sustainable as an idea first and then sustainable as an object. And the way we have both the idea and the object sustainable is that this tablecloth will have a second life or an afterlife. It's not only a tablecloth for tonight, it's also like, let's say, collaborative surface for collaborative paintings. So it's kind of interactive work in a way, I would say, but on the lowest level possible. So just like all people, random errors and mistakes like spillings on the tablecloth would be part of the work afterwards, since we're going to stretch them and show them as paintings.
Thanks so much for watching, and for more news and information on events and others like these, please visit bizbash.com.